Well, this is our drive-on aluminum stand, extremely lightweight, really based for POTA or field days where you can't set up antenna, where you can actually drive on our aluminum stand. It'll fit up to a 2 3/4 inch mast, and very flexible, but a much larger base than anybody else makes. Extremely lightweight, all aluminum. On this deal, you raise up your mast, check your SWR, now you got to bring your mast back down, keep raising up till you get it. So what we did on here, this is our trailer hitch design. It's designed that if you put it on a pickup truck, you'll be able to drop your tailgate and work your radio right off the tailgate. But what we did here is once you put your mast up, instead of having to move it up and bring it back down, move it up, bringing it back down every time you adjust your SWR, we've made it so you pull this pin out, rotate it, put your pin back in, go ahead and make your adjustments, bring your pin back out, and walk it back up. If you have to do that 2 or 3 times, it just saves moving your mast back and forth. It'll go right or left. So if you're parked next to a tree, you can go the opposite direction.
Absolutely.
So that's basically what we got here. It's all aluminum, every bit of it except for the pin, so very lightweight.
Yeah, and if you've ever put up a little announcement from the Hamfest, if you ever put up a tower or something, and you're like me, and you put it straight up, and you get tired of climbing one day, you said, I wish I'd have got a tilt-over tower.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, now you can get you a tilt-over mount. Yeah.
10 and 9 and the Huntsville Hamfest Association.
So it'd be a very handy product, and I like how it's designed. That's make life easier for a lot of folks.
Exactly, and that's what it's about. Have fun.
Yeah.
Why? By the time you move it up 3 or 4 times, you don't want to work a radio anymore.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep, exactly. Well, I appreciate you telling me about the product.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm Carol from C3 Electronics, and I make BandPass filters and baluns and ununs. I make them for HF transmission on voice. I do have 80 in digital as well. We're working on the other bands in digital, but we're not there just yet. But they have a 1-year repair replacement warranty. Today they're for $95 at Huntsville, but they're going to be back up to $100 until the end of August, and in September they'll be going back to the regular price of $125. You can buy them individually, whichever band you want, or you can buy them in kits of 4 bands of your choice or 5 bands of your choice. At the Hamfest, we put them on the Nano to show you that the specifications that we send with the warranty match with what the Nano readings show. We also sell Belden jumper cables. They are the best of the best. They're silver clad copper, and they have really good Amphenol connectors on the end. The connectors alone are like $8 a piece, but these are $22, but you'll never have to replace them again. And if you use a Nano and you're used to your cables falling apart, you buy these little adapters, 2 of our jumper cables, and you'll be set for life. They come in very handy in that. We also have 1-to-1 common mode choke balance. We have 4-to-1 200 ohm transformers for off center feds. We have 9-to-1 450 ohm transformers for your ladder line, and I sold out yesterday my 49-to-1 ununs for half wave end feds, but we'll have them back. You can order them online and we'll get them out to you within a day or so.
Awesome.
So find us at SwapFest or look us up online at www.c3electronics.com. Phone number of 920-915-8960. Feel free to email me with the address there or get in touch with me by phone. We'd be happy to help you out with your POTA, field day, and close activity activations.
Awesome. That's good
Thank
stuff.
you.
Thank you very much.
Yep.